Hi everyone, my name is Rene. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'd like to show you the tool that really boosted my Amazon Kindle business, that really made a decent difference and brought my Amazon Kindle business to the next level, so to say. I've been starting my Amazon Kindle business in 2018 and I wrote my first ebook, my first recipe ebook, and this first ebook didn't sell very well. It wasn't really profitable. After this first ebook, I wrote more and more ebooks, recipe ebooks especially, but none of them really went through the roof and brought me big money. So I had to find the reason behind that. I watched hundreds of YouTube videos, like you probably do, to find out why I was failing. And one video changed my mind. I hadn't taken into consideration niching down, finding the right keywords in my niche to get my ebook profitable. But how to niche down, how to find the right keywords to rank in Amazon and to sell your ebook profitable, I stumbled upon a tool called KDP Rocket. Nowadays it's called Publisher Rocket. This tool is only $97 one-time payment, no monthly recurring payment, one time $97. And you get everything you need to analyze your keyword ideas, your niche ideas, your ebook ideas in advance. It's a keyword research tool. It's a competition analyzer. You're able to export your keywords, your profitable keywords, to your Amazon ads campaign. So you don't have to type in every single keyword. You simply export them and you run your ads campaign and you're done. But let me show you the tool in action. I already opened the tool. This is a tool, Publisher Rocket. Here you can see the keyword search, competition analyzer, category search, and AMS keyword search. On the top right, you can choose between US, English. There's also a German version. I'm native German, so I'm happy to have the German version of Publisher Rocket. It was released only a few months ago and some other languages will follow. I don't know which ones, but there will follow several different languages, probably French or Spain or something like that. But let's start in US in English. So on the left side, you can push keyword search. After that, you type in your keyword here, type in a general idea or phrase, and Rocket will find keywords for your book. So let's type in, for instance, online business, and pushing enter. Take a few seconds. Now you see the results. On the left-hand side, keywords, number of competitors, average monthly earnings, Google searches, estimated Amazon searches, and competitive score. To see the results for each keyword, you have to push on the right-hand side the Analyze button. So I push the Analyze button for the keyword online business in general. And after a few seconds, you see the first results. So a big number of competitors, 46,000. Average monthly earnings with this keyword, this special keyword, $398. Google searches, many Google searches, 200,000 Google searches, and estimated Amazon searches a month below 100. Competitive score of 60 is okay so far. The competitive score should be between 0, it's the best competitive score, and 50 or 60. Competitive score from 70 to 100 would be pretty high, and it would be difficult to rank and to be profitable. So a competitive score of 60 is still okay, in my opinion. For instance, Online Business 2020, you can analyze by clicking the Analyze button again. Publisher Rocket is now scanning the whole database and calculating the number of competitors, average monthly earnings, and so on. Here you can see the much slower competitive score of 20 for the keyword online business 2020. Number of competitors only 1,700. Average monthly earnings, okay, $80. Google searches not available in this case, and estimated Amazon searches a month below 100, but the competitive score is really okay. Just try different keywords for your niche, can choose your different keywords for your niche and analyze them one after the other. And I've already mentioned you have the possibility to export all these keywords into a CSV file, and once you got the CSV file, you can export it into your Amazon ads campaign very easily. So what's next? On the right hand side, you see the green button with competition on it. If you push that button, the competition button, you see all your competitors and you can analyze them. Okay, the title, From Nothing, Start an Online Business, All in One for Dummies. You see the author, you see the age, the number of days since it was published. Okay, 480 days, 2000 days. The average bestseller rank. You need to know the higher the Amazon bestseller rank is, the less books you sell a month. With a Amazon bestseller rank of 50,000, you would sell some books, but with 500,000 bestseller rank, 500,000, you see daily sales $0. And in my opinion, that's pretty nice to see what your competitors are selling, how many ebooks they are selling, and how many daily sales, how many monthly sales they are making, to get an idea if a niche, if a keyword is profitable or not. So again, on the right hand side, if you click check it out, the browser opens and you see the copywriting, the title, subtitle, and all the keywords your competitor is using within the title, within a subtitle, how the description looks like, and you can deeply analyze your competitors with just one click. So with each click, you get deeper in your analysis into your competitors. Publisher Rocket also comes with a category search. If you don't have any idea which niche you should go into, you could use the category search, and you see the different categories: arts, business, children's books, computers, crafts, education, engineering, health and fitness, and so on and so on. And on the right hand side, again, just click check it out. Health and fitness and dieting, check it out. So you can see different Amazon bestseller ranks. What does sales mean? Sales number 1. You need to sell 141 books to rank number 1 in that category. Or you need to sell 26 books a day to rank number 1 in adult children of alcoholics. Okay, very interesting. So if you click check it out on the right hand side again, the browser opens and you get to the bestseller page in Amazon. Here are shown all the bestsellers of the category we picked, and you get an idea of the covers. What type of cover could you use to rank? What title, what subtitle could you use to rank for these specific keywords inside that category? And you get a general idea how it should look like, or you probably do something slightly different to get more attention to your cover. Let's go back into Publisher Rocket. Publisher Rocket also comes with the AMS keyword search. So what does that mean? On the top right, new search, enter a general keyword or phrase or book title, and Publisher Rocket will find a large list of AMS keywords for you to use in your campaign. So let's try that. Online business. You also could use a title of your competitor, and Amazon or Publisher Rocket would find a list of keywords that you could use or you could export to your Amazon ads campaign. Online business. So let's go get them Rocket. So these are the top related keywords to online business, for example, to rank inside Amazon, inside the Amazon Kindle, to get many sales, to be seen, to rank, and to sell as many books as you could. These are Amazon suggestions and Amazon A to Z suggestions. I would now use these keywords for my description, for my title, for my subtitle, or again, export them and get a CSV file and upload this CSV file to your Amazon ads campaign. So many possibilities, many analysis tools. You really should take into consideration buying this tool. Only $97, one-time purchase. There's a link down below in the description. You have a 30-day money-back guarantee, and just try out Publisher Rocket. Just analyze your competitors. Find profitable keywords, find your right niche, and don't burn your time like me in the beginning by picking the wrong niche, the wrong keywords. You have the chance to do it right from the beginning by using a tool like Publisher Rocket and create a profitable Amazon Kindle business from the beginning. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Comment down below if you have any questions, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.